Greetings, my dear fellow collectors, to Busybee from Germany. Today I want to do a creative solution video, but it's not one of my creative solutions. It's one of Mattel's creative solutions. It has to do with talking Barbie, as you can see. Because I found out something that is very astonishingly in the last weeks. Okay, you see here my old water tap, and you see talking Barbie over there. And what the water tap and the talking Barbie have in common is Yes. That's my old O-ring. I found something out by accident. I have never realized that when you do talking Barbie repairs, you use an O-ring. And an O-ring is the seal that is under a water tap. And it sits on the sink like this, so that you don't see the O-ring inside, and the O-ring keeps the water away, and yeah, it's a seal, if you want to say it like this. It was an accidental occurrence that my water tap started to leak in August. And my father replaced my old water tap, and we bought a new one and installed a new one. And what I found is, and I immediately thought of talking Barbie, because you use these rings for talking Barbie repair. And the problem is, after several years, they are worn out. You can see it here. That's a new one, that's an old one, and the old ones, or the worn out ones, don't work anymore, and the water tap starts to leak. And I realized what I saw, and I was asked by another collector to do a video about this. I thought it would be interesting to some of you that for the construction of talking Barbie, they literally used the seal for a water tap. For the mechanism. I showed you several months ago how the mechanism itself works and how you can replace the ring, but I didn't know that the thing was called O-ring. And that's a very creative solution, I think. They produced it with easy materials. What's kind of interesting, I never thought about that it is a seal. The replacement for a talking Barbie, that you use a seal. I hope you like my little discovery. Every Friday comes a new exciting video for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And to help this channel a little bit grow, please send me your broken Barbie dolls. See you next Friday. Your Busybee from Germany.